All right, we made it. Little apartment tour here. This is the front, coming in the front. Got a little half bath right there. Living room straight ahead. Kitchen here. Everything's hidden. There's a dishwasher right there under that steel drying rack. This is the refrigerator and freezer. And under the microwave is a washing machine and dryer. Dining room. Little balcony here. Not much to see, but that's okay. No traffic. It's quiet. Everything came with the place. TV, couches. It's got internet, basic internet. It's got some gorgeous art. I'll show you some more of that. Every room has its own thermostat, and I can buzz people in with that intercom thing. If they come down to the building, they call up, and I hit the button and it unlocks the door for them. This is the main hallway, and here's the maid's room. The maid gets no room, but they do get a bathroom. Not sure what I'll do with this. Don't plan on having a live-in maid, although that would be cool. There's a little storage room here. This is bedroom number 1. 2 double beds, closet, nice bathroom, good shower with a rainfall shower head option. Even has a bench, sink, toilet, squirter. And the room itself, 2 double beds, floor to ceiling windows. Let's see if I can get you a view. Yeah, there ain't nothing out there, just hot. The only thing out there worth seeing is not being out there because it's hot. Yeah, we got some art right here. The art in this place is top notch, you'll see. I passed up the main art. We got some art right here. They use plastic, they don't even use glass here. That's what they do with their top notch art. And the master bedroom. Bathroom still needs some work. Got some nice shelves here. Got a little tub. Actually a big tub. Tub right here. Decent shower, also rainfall shower head. 2 toilets because one's not enough. Good storage. And here is the bedroom. Somebody needs to come make my bed. And they put the best top shelf art in the master, of course. This is where you put all your best work. So I'm definitely not changing any of that. Oh, we got a tractor down there doing something. You better knock that shit off. It's 8 in the morning. But here's a side view. Nothing going on there. A little slummy. That's all right. No major traffic right here. And I don't even hear a mosque, so that is a massive improvement over anywhere I've ever been. Yeah, so I gotta put some laundry away. Big closet here. And a computer desk. Thermostat in here also. Yeah, freaking lap of luxury. I gotta get some dishes. And I gotta figure out how to use this washing machine. Wash some clothes. Let's see what's going on out here. Go out into the hall and get myself locked out. This is the hallway. Oh shit, I'm locked out. I thought being next to the elevators would be a problem because the elevators are right here, but I don't hear them. And down here is the trash. Nothing exciting. Just trash right there. Don't have to talk to anybody. Don't have to take it anywhere. Oh, and this is cool. You take a picture of that, put in your, there went my trash. Put in your delivery app, and they know immediately how to find you. So that's pretty awesome. So now everybody knows how to find me since I took a picture of that. All right. Welcome to Doha.